Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to iPhone 15 Pro. Firstly, just open App Store on both to install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up. I will start with 15 Pro. In Photo Library pop-up, click on Allow Full Access. And in all the other ones, choose whatever you want to. In my case, in Track Activity, I will go with Ask App Not to Track. And in Notifications, I will select Don't Allow. When you're done, go to Apple device and do exactly the same. In the Library pop-up, choose Full Access, and then wherever you want to in the other two. If you see this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, click OK. Then, if notification settings pop-up will show, just click on Cancel to get rid of it. Finally, choose Send at the bottom left corner of Apple smartphone and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of 15 Pro. Then go back to Apple device and using all of those categories available at the top, choose multiple files to transfer, like photos, videos. After hitting Allow, so in this case OK, contacts, and even files. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on 15 Pro. Then allow camera access in the pop-up by hitting OK. And point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, just click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!